The top 5 best heavy-duty treadmill recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. NORDICTRACK T-Series Treadmills. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Elite trainers adjust your equipment. 10% one-touch incline control, 10 mph smart one-touch speed control. With IFIT, your trainer auto-adjusts your speed and incline through a smart Bluetooth connection. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20x55 tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. Flex Select Deck cushioning protects your joints. Recommendation number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness 7643 Heavy-Duty Walking Treadmill. Turn up your fitness with the SF 7643 Heavy-Duty Walking Treadmill. This treadmill provides a solid and stable platform for all fitness levels. The treadmill has a high weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. The ample walking surface is 19.5 inches wide. The convenient quick button feature allows for quickly getting to the desired workout speed. Feel like going faster? This walking treadmill maxes out at 6 miles per hour and can be used for light jogging. The backlit LCD displays and tracks speed. Recommendation number 3. EXERPEUTIC T-Phone 1000 Ultra High Capacity. The EXERPEUTIC T-Phone 1000 Walk-to-Fitness electric treadmill is an effective way to burn extra calories and achieve a healthy lifestyle. Walking on the EXERPEUTIC T-Phone 1000 is one of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve a regimen of regular exercise. Unlike outdoor walking, treadmill fitness walking has the benefits of shock absorption and the convenience of exercising in your own home, in front of a TV, or just listening to your favorite music. Walk to Fitness can help you lose body fat, tone muscles, and is a great way to stay in shape. Recommendation number 4. XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. Maximize your home workouts with the XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. It combines quality, performance, and great looks with the premium features you desire in a home treadmill. The heart-pounding speed range up to 12 mph is powered by a smooth and quiet XTERRA 3.0 HP motor. Extra soft deck cushioning technology, oversized 20x60 running surface, and 12 levels of incline are included in the long list of premium features. The console includes a large 6.5 blue backlit LCD display. Recommendation number 5. UREVO Treadmills for Home. Constructed with powerful 2.5 HP motor, the treadmill, which can not only bring you a steady running experience but also provides prolonged speeds of 0.58.7 mph. Grip the handrail pulse sensors to sensitively track your heart rate during your workout. It's quite helpful for monitoring your heart rate and allows you to continue your safety training. Adjustable angle screen meets the height needs of different users. The backlit monitor shows the real-time speed, distance, time, calories, and heart rate during your workout.